We're here again on the highway. We have victim number 2, an old guy, an old Cadillac. And Brandon and I are once again going to pull somebody out.
See how it goes. He's really stuck in there. You filming this, Code?
I'm filming this. We've gotten him turned.
You got it.
Yeah, we got it. Yeah, another quick fix. So that where it cost him, what, hundreds of dollars?
Bitch, what? Powerstroke!
You're once again, you're the savers of the highway. Guardian angels of all. Oh. Ain't Brand a good guy? Denying money. He's a good guy.
You still recording?
Still recording.
Dude, the guy's gonna give me a hundo.
100? 100? Brand, you're a very good man. You're a very good man.
I pass it up.
Somewhat stubborn, but very good man.
That was fun. Dude, that pulled that thing out like nothing.
You said, oh yeah, he was really stuck. Not. Dude, we are just now coming up on 2 minutes. You did this in 2 minutes.
Dude, the tires didn't even spin. That was awesome. The guy was like vertical in there.
Yeah.
It's a new screw. Alright, now we gotta turn this biatch around.
Just go in a ditch. Go right around through there.